Hello everyone.
Advocate Teffo's wife, Lerato, gave an update on the infotainment podcast about divorce cases and how he's holding up in the cells. She said she recently saw her husband and he's in good spirit. She said Teffo appeared in court last week on Monday and on Wednesday at Mampuru for Pretoria case, but 2 weeks ago, he got a disclosure document for the trespassing case, and also for the Pretoria case, he was actually finally charged for the Pretoria case and the trespassing case. He's also appearing today, which is on the 16th of April 2024 in Johannesburg Magistrate Court, Court number 11. He will also appear tomorrow on the 17th of April at Mampuru Court 62 for Pretoria case for malicious damage to property and common assault case. She said she's trying to get him a legal representative to represent him on both cases because at the moment they don't have a legal representative for Advocate Teffo, and he's been appearing in these cases alone with no legal representative. She stated that it's very difficult to get a legal representative for him because the lawyers are afraid of the LPC, which is Legal Practice Council. Some lawyers tried to assist him before and they received threats and they were told that they will be struck off the roll. If anyone is interested in assisting Teffo, they must have a backbone and they must have everything in order in terms of the law because they'll come after them. She was also in a process of trying to get Teffo's help. She's in talk stages with a certain advocate who's willing to assist with or without funds, but that advocate needs to work with an attorney. She said they are facing financial strain. She's also selling her belongings in order to try and cover up for the funds. And if anyone who's willing or interested to help to donate some sort of money, they may use Lerato's account. She's banking with Capitec and her account number is 16715717744. Let me repeat it again. The account number is 16715717744, and the personal details are Lerato Teffo. Bongani asked how is Advocate Teffo is holding up in prison. Teffo's wife said prison will never be someone's home, but her husband will try and adapt in whatever situation he's in. He'll come out stronger, but this is very emotional, draining, and it's very frustrating. His children are always asking about their father. When is he coming back home and why he hasn't been home? They took his phone. He's no longer able to phone anyone, and it's been a month. He doesn't receive any call from him. She's only communicating with him when she visits him. He doesn't have access to public phones, and this happened after he had an interview with the infotainment podcast where Advocate Teffo revealed bombshells after bombshells. He even stated that he wants the Senzomiwa case to collapse because they want to jail innocent people. She also stated that she lodged a complaint with Judicial Inspectorate for Correctional Services under Judge Cameroon, and she's waiting a correspondence from them. She lodged a complaint on Monday, which was on the 8th of April 2024, and she's asking them to allow Advocate Teffo to communicate with his family and be given a public phone access. And if anyone who's interested to attend Teffo's case, that is in Johannesburg Magistrate Court, Court number 11, they must go there in the morning around 9, and you must carry an ID with you if you want to attend his cases. Advocate Teffo is going through a lot, shame. I wish Umkhonto weSizwe Party can help this man because anyone can see that there are so many irregularities in the Senzomiwa murder trial. Something is just off with this trial. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party always says it's for black people. Can they at least look into this matter and see if they can try and help Advocate Teffo? What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.